let it shine, this little light.
Lighting candles for those who have lost their lives and those who continue fighting the invisible enemy. This year, International Nurses Day takes on a sobering tone in recognition of those who have tested positive for coronavirus. The year 2020 has been designated as the year of the nurse and the midwife by the World Health Organization, in recognition of the contribution nurses make and the risks associated with nursing. Mkhize says that keeping medical staff healthy is vital in fighting the virus to the end.
Retaining and supporting the nursing workforce requires a focus on promoting and protecting their physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. We are committed to support them to deal with any immediate physical and mental health issues and prevent some of the mental health consequences that may not be apparent now but may emerge in the future. In this regard, we have prioritized the development and implementation of the comprehensive program for caring for the carers.
The confirmed COVID-19 cases have increased by 698, bringing the total number of infections to 11,350.
As of to date, a total of 369,697 tests have been conducted, and the 13,630 tests were done in the past 24 hours. Largely from the public sector, 63% of the tests were done in the public sector, which is about 8,599, and only 5,031 were done in the private sector.
580 health workers, including nurses, have been infected with the coronavirus, most of them from KwaZulu-Natal.
We are going to have our provincial managers visiting all our facilities to engage with our healthcare workers so that we are able to actually understand from them, because yes, we might be able to have our own theory at a provincial level of what the issues are, but you might find that what actually is happening on the ground is very different from our understanding.
But the efforts of the foot soldiers on the ground remain resilient.
Commemorations like this are times to reaffirm commitments. And part of the commitments that the government of the day through the Ministry of Health that has affirmed is that no health worker and no nurses in particular would be allowed to go out there without appropriate PPE. The positive message to the frontline nurses is that continue to do the good.
The health departments say they have been preparing hospitals, constructing field hospitals and quarantine locations to ensure that the country is prepared for the peak of the pandemic. To date, there have been more than 4,000 recoveries. Jayed-Leigh Paulse, SABC News, Durban.